In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record clips in ClickUp. If you've ever wanted a quick way to show a teammate what you're seeing on your screen, record a short walkthrough, or capture a fast status update without jumping into a meeting, ClickUp's built-in Clips feature is perfect for that. It lets you record directly from your workspace so you can share context clearly and save time. Start by opening your ClickUp account in your browser and signing in. Give your workspace a moment to load. It can help to open the page, task, or document you plan to talk through, so everything you want to show is already in front of you. Keeping your desktop tidy and closing unrelated tabs can make the final clip easier to follow. Next, look to the top right corner of the ClickUp interface. You'll see a small camera icon. That's the Clips control. Click it to begin. If your window is very narrow and you don't immediately see the camera icon, try widening the window or looking for additional controls that may collapse into a menu in smaller layouts. The goal is simply to access that camera icon so you can start the recording flow. When you click the camera icon, your browser may ask for permission to record your screen and, if available, your microphone. This prompt is normal and required for security. Choose Allow. If you've previously blocked permissions by accident, look for the small icon near your browser's address bar to re-enable them so ClickUp can capture your screen correctly. After granting permission, you'll be asked to choose what you want to record. Select the specific screen, window, or browser tab that best fits your needs. For a full walkthrough across multiple apps or monitors, choose your entire screen. If you only want to show one app, pick that application window. And if you're demonstrating something inside a single browser tab, select that tab for a cleaner, more focused capture. Take a second to verify you've picked the right display if you use multiple monitors. This is also a good moment to quickly check what's visible, close any pop-ups, turn off notifications, and avoid showing confidential information. Once you've allowed permissions and selected the exact screen you want to record, you're set. ClickUp will capture what you've chosen so you can communicate clearly without a live meeting. That's all there is to it. Open your ClickUp account, click the camera icon in the top right, allow the permission prompt, and select the specific screen you want to record. Happy recording, and enjoy creating concise, helpful clips right inside ClickUp.